Tá ar a Dave Lína, tá Leach na Himmertha Tranona Sham Micheál Glynn. Micheál Glynn, twice St Michael's and Enniskillen have come as far as the Hogan Cup final, and twice they've gone home with the pockets empty. To finally get over the line today and to win the college's first All-Ireland at A level, how does that feel?
Best feeling in the world. Couldn't have better group of lads, boys. Best moment of all our lives, and to be here in Croke Park, nothing beats it, and we're lucky to be going home with the trophy.
And it was a game full of drama. At 4 points up with around about a quarter of an hour to go, you looked like you were there. Did players maybe start to think of the finishing line and maybe take the eye off the ball, because what a battle Naas gave you in the last quarter?
We knew coming into it that Naas are an unbelievable team, and we had our homework done, and thank God we done it today.
I believe that every player on the team and every player on the panel is a Fermanagh man. What does this mean for Fermanagh to return home with an All-Ireland title?
Unbelievable, and there's plenty more to come. So it's the best feeling in the world, so up Fermanagh.
Well done, Micheál Glynn, Leach na Himmertha anseo Tranona Inniu, agus ar cheann Masita tá Stephen Reddy anseo le gradam Leach na Himmertha a bhrunna Micheál Glynn.